SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to delete a text message on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Before we get started, it's important to note that when you delete a text message on your iPhone 14, it only deletes on your phone. That text message is still going to exist on the device of the person to whom you sent it. So with that in mind, when you want to delete a single text message on your iPhone 14, you need to open the Messages app, select the conversation with the message that you would like to delete. Then you need to find the text message that you want to delete, and then you can tap and hold on it. You can then select the More option from that pop-up menu. And then you just need to tap the circle to the left of each of the messages that you want to delete. Once the messages are selected, you can tap this trash can icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you can touch the Delete Message button. If you would like to delete an entire text message conversation, then you can do so by going back to the main Messages menu, tapping the Edit button at the top left corner of the screen. You can then choose Select Messages. Then you just need to tap the circle to the left of the text message conversation that you want to delete, and then you can tap the Delete button to confirm.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.